This 2021 Jayco Melbourne 24K double slide, theatre seating, queen bed is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, skylight, air conditioning, TV, slide-out, self-contained, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2021 Jayco Melbourne 24K double slide, theatre seating, queen bed is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.